All right, guys. So for today's trade review, I'm gonna go over what should have been taken, but I ended up not taking it because of how late in the day it ended up being. I didn't take any trades today. Well, I mean, I took one trade on options, super duper late into the session. Like it was closer to market close than it was to market open. But so this is the only trade. Where is it at? This is the only trade that I liked. I didn't take it because I didn't see it in time, but this is the only trade that I would have liked to take today. But yeah, let's get into why I didn't take any trades early throughout all this chop today. So yeah, as you can see, we were in a downtrend coming into the open. This is where we are opening down here. We ended up sweeping London low right here at the market open, and in my pre-market analysis, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us bounce there and head straight up into this fair value gap, take out Asia low and previous day's close and midnight open, which is exactly what we did, and we ended up staying below the fair value gap. Like we respected it. That's perfect. That's what I wanted to see. But let's take a look at the price action in there. So it took a while for us. We were holding above this 24,800 level for like, look at this. We were waking down, up, down, up, down. If you look at the 1 minute, you'll see how super duper choppy it was. And I'm just not a fan of, I'm not a fan of choppy price action. You know, like we stayed down here for a while, and then we finally ended up making our way up here. All right. So I'll go back to the 5. And yeah, just look at it, right? Just look at how choppy this was today. Yes, we ended up taking out the Asia low. We ended up taking out previous day's close and midnight open. And yes, we were respecting the fair value gap. So here, once we got this bearish engulfing here, some of you probably thought, okay, this is a good trade to enter. But look at how price was acting up here. Like, look at the choppiness. And it continued to chop. Like, this was just terrible price action. So, no, I didn't end up taking any trades within here. And once I got off the charts, we ended up breaking below this little zone that it created because it created a range. We ended up breaking below that range, tapping back into it, rejecting VWAP right there, creating a bearish engulfing here. That's a perfect entry right there. That's where you want to enter. No, I did not enter it because I didn't see it. It was late within the day. This is 11:20 for me, so no, I didn't take that. But yeah, this would have been a good trade right here. And if you looked at my market analysis, my first target would have been the London low. Second target would have been this low at 24,762. And then my full target would have been this previous day's close. So we would have been able to take out two targets before price ended up bouncing and going back up to here. So yeah, that would have been a good trade. Did not take it. No trades today for me. But yeah, hopefully we catch one tomorrow. Don't be discouraged. There's days where you don't have to take any trades like today. Like when price action is doing stuff like this, it's better to preserve your capital and just live another day. So yeah, on to the next, guys.